Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to make a tire different than what we did before. So we're still going to use the part that we made before for this one. The diameter is an inch, and the extrusion here is 0.125 inches. So those are the only two numbers we need to remember. So we're going to start a new part file. Then we'll start a sketch. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a profile of the tire and then revolve it. So I'm going to put in a line, and this line is going to represent the radius of the tire. So the tire is 1 inch in diameter, so that's 0.5 inches for our radius, and we'll make that a construction line. And then our the thickness of our rim was 0.125, and that was just a totally random number. It may not be one that looks right, but that's what we're going to use. So it's 0.125, but I'm going to mirror this along that middle line. So we can do an equation in Inventor and say I want half of that. So that's half going in the other direction. So I want to mirror that line, so let's mirror it along this plane. And there we go. So this is going to be the base of my tire. So we're going to make let's try something like this. So here's part of this part's going to be our tire. This part is extra, so let's get rid of that. So we're going to trim this guy, and this is going to look a little funny, but it's a quick way to make a tire. And then so we're going to revolve this around our center axis, so we need a line to tell us where that center axis is. So we'll put in a line, we'll just make this a construction line, and then we'll finish our sketch. And then so we're going to revolve this feature, this profile around this axis, and then okay. So now something's weird about that. Let's go back and edit that feature. Let's just try that again. We'll delete it. We don't want to delete our sketches. So let's revolve this profile around this axis, and we're going to make that a solid output. Doesn't like something that it did. Let's go back and make sure our loop is closed. How about that? Sketch, close loop. There we go. That was the issue, I think. Okay, so now let's try revolving that feature. There we go, around this axis. That looks good. So now I got a solid feature. So I'm going to save this as I've done a bunch of these. So let's just call it, I think part 4 is fine. Let's open up a new assembly file, and then I'm going to place my newest part, my wheel, with my second newest part. Oops, need to do the place button, sorry. With my, let's go this guy. Okay, and then I want to put these together, so I'm going to constrain. I'm going to use the insert constraint. Oops, and then we want to switch that around. If it looks like it's outside, we'll just click this side, hit apply. And not the best automobile tire in the world, but you get the idea. You can change it how you would like. Okay, that's it.